Hi students, do you want 16 out of 16 marks in senior inter chemistry? Let's watch this video till the end. So if you read these questions, very important long answer question from the second year inter chemistry. Do you read these questions? Surely all the marks in your account. So already we have three long answer questions second year senior inter chemistry important lessons. If you read these three lessons 8 mark questions, automatically you can get 16 out of 16 marks in the long answer questions. So what are the three lessons we have to keep in our mind for 8 mark questions? First lesson, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. So from these two lessons, surely you can get one 8 mark question. Second lesson, p block elements. Okay, from this also they are asking one 8 mark question. And third one, that is organic chemistry. So from organic chemistry also named reactions every year repeatedly they are asking. Okay, so we have to read these three lessons: electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, p block elements, organic chemistry. Okay, let us see the electrochemistry and the chemical kinetics. What is the important 8 mark questions? So once, what is the first question from electrochemistry or chemical kinetics? State and explain Coleridge law of independent migration of ions. Okay, now. And next, what are galvanic cells? Explain the working of galvanic cell with a neat sketch taking Daniel cell as an example. So this is very, very important 8 mark question. And let us see the second important question from chemical kinetics or electrochemistry. So give a detailed account of collision theory of reaction rates of bimolecular gaseous reaction. What is molecularity of a reaction? How is it different from order of a reaction? Okay, name one bimolecular and one trimolecular gaseous reactions. So these are the two important questions from the lesson. Electrochemistry or chemical kinetics. One is Coleridge law and its application. Another one is galvanic cell and its working. Okay, and its diagram. And second question is about collision theory. Okay, and next on that only they are asking molecularity. Okay, and examples for bimolecular and dimolecular gaseous reaction. Next, you can go for next second lesson, that is p block elements. From the p block elements, regularly they are asking how is ammonia manufactured by Haber's process. How does ammonia react with zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, and silver chloride? This is very, very important question. And next question from the p block elements lesson: how is nitric acid manufactured by Oswald process? Okay, and how does nitric acid react with the copper, zinc, sulfur, and phosphorus? Okay, now how to prepare the nitric acid and what are the reactions undergone by nitric acid? Okay, and next question from this lesson, that is how is ozone is prepared? How does ozone react with ethene, silver, potassium iodide, mercury, and lead sulfide? Okay. Next question from the p block elements is describe the manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Okay, in this p block elements only we learn that how to prepare the sulfuric acid, how to prepare the ammonia, how to prepare the ozone, how to prepare the nitric acid. So these preparations and their reactions. And next one, how is chlorine is prepared in the laboratory, how is chlorine is prepared in the Deccan's process, or explain the reactions of chlorine with the cold dilute NaOH or a hot concentrated NaOH, excess of ammonia, slaked lime, Na2S2O3. Okay, hypo. So how to prepare the chlorine and what are the reactions undergone by the chlorine. Next, last question in the p block elements, that is how is chlorine is prepared. Okay, in the laboratory, how does chlorine reacts with the iron, H2 FeSO4, iodine, H2S, and Ka. So totally from p block elements we are learning preparations of nitric acid, ammonia, chlorine, okay, sulfuric acid, and ozone, and the reactions. These are the 5 important questions from the p block elements. Surely one 8 mark question will come. Finally we'll get our organic chemistry, most interested organic chemistry. Surely 8 mark questions, sure important. In this first one we have to learn the named reactions. From these named reaction they are asking 4 named reactions for 8 marks. 4 to 8. One is Williamson synthesis, Reamer-Deamer reaction, carbylamine reaction, Kolb's reaction, decarboxylation, Wurtz-Wittig reaction, Cannizzaro reaction, aldol condensation, diazotization, Sand-Meyer reaction, Gattermann's reaction, HVZ reaction, esterification reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and Woods reaction. Okay, so these are the 16 named reactions. From these 16, surely they are asking for any four named reactions for 8 marks. And one more question from the organic chemistry, that is explain the acidic nature of phenols and compare with that of alcohols. So we have to explain the acidic nature of phenols and we have to compare with the acidic nature of phenols with alcohols and write two methods of preparation of phenol. Okay, now from the organic chemistry, okay, all maximum named reaction or preparation of phenol or comparison of phenol acidic nature with the alcohols. Okay. So these are the nearly 10 questions are there. If you read these the 10 questions, surely you can get long answer questions in the senior chemistry part. So I think you understand this concept. So thank you for watching my Madhavi ma'am's chemistry channel. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.